morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out here at Coffee and Cars. It's June the 3rd. The time out here is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the morning. So let's go over and see what they got over here. They got breakfast burritos. Look at this guy with this nice beard.
Yeah, you want food?
What's going on, brother?
Good, how are you?
Giving you guys some free advertising. Twin Peaks, huh? Hello.
Hi.
I'm just filming you guys, put you guys on my YouTube channel.
Okay, sweet.
What? Really?
You got a card? Where's your card?
Oh, really?
Alright, well, we have a free chips and queso card. Even better.
Like the 12th anniversary.
Thank you.
Hi, guys.
2 bacon, please.
Bacon.
So let's go get this BMW over here. Look at these dogs, man. Check out these dogs. You guys know I love these dogs. Uh-oh. Damn, they're hungry dogs. You see how he snatched that dog's neck like that?
Yeah.
He almost hung the damn dog. What the fuck? No, he didn't want your dog. He didn't want that dog to get his ass whooped. That's why he picked him up.
ACT or TPA requirements to attend. Apply,
There we go.
you get admitted. You know, like, really? Like, yeah, really, you know? Then financial aid.
Look at this guy. Check this little border collie. Is this a border collie?
Australian Shepherd.
I saw here. Come here. Let me get him on my YouTube. Hey, what's going on, guy?
You can't really see it very good, but it's massive.
Thank you.
But it's massive tail and it's like this long. If you take it,
All right. I'm still looking for Brother B. Houston. I ain't seen him yet. He probably out here somewhere. It's a big place. Look at this Doberman, man.
Very friendly.
Check out these motorcycles. YouTube thing. I'm having a good time, man. I'm just checking out the views, man. Checking out stuff, man. How you doing around here? What's up?
I don't know if he's gonna make it,
That's
man.
not gonna happen, man.
I don't think so.
It ain't gonna. He gonna have to do that 3 or 4 times to get out of here. That's too long. That's long.
Long, yeah. It's cars over there.
Yeah. He gonna be a minute.
Yeah, it'll be a little bit,
I
yeah.
ain't got that much film left, so. All right, guys, let's continue to march, shall we?
I'm just watching. Come on, let's watch this. Comical. We're not making it.
We'll get out of here one of these days. That bus ain't gonna get out of here, man. There's too many cars, man. Sorry to tell him, but there's some expensive cars right in front of him, so you know. I don't know. I don't know why you bring that big bus through here. Yeah, the sun is coming out now. I like it. I ain't got that much further to go. This is the Dream Chaser. Okay. Check out the rims on this Dream Chaser. It's nice. What's going on, brother? I love them rims, man. Get them rims on here. Who makes those? Work. Who makes them?
Work wheels.
Work wheels. Nice, man. What's your name, man?
Michael.
Michael?
Yeah.
My name is Mike too. Uncle Mike, that's my channel. Uncle
Oh,
Mike 319.
hey, man.
I appreciate you, brother.
No problem.
Think that bus gonna ever get out of here?
Probably not.
There's some expensive cars right in front of him. I don't know
Want a
why.
rev?
Huh?
You want a rev?
Go ahead, yeah, let me get behind you. Oh, shit. Go ahead. Go ahead. Appreciate you, Michael. Yes, sir. His name is Michael too. That's my name. I go by Uncle Mike. I don't go by Mike. I go by Uncle Mike. 392. His name is Michael. There you go. Look at all these beautiful colors, man. What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? All right. bus ain't gonna get out of here, man. There's 3 expensive cars right where he's turning. The police trying to help him get out, but they don't know where the owners are of the cars. Check this out, man. Step back. Step back freeway. Starting to get warmed up out there, even though it's still cloudy, it's starting to get warm, the humidity. Check this bike out. Let's go get this Honda on here. What's going on, brother?
Howdy.
I love this bike, man. It's nice.
Hey.
How many cc's you got?
1,000.
1,000. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Got an aftermarket kickstand. Is that aftermarket or did it come with it?
No, that's aftermarket. I actually bought the bike with a lot of this stuff on it. I just did a little stuff to it.
It's nice, man. Can I get a start up? Can I hear it? How you doing, sir? We're gonna get our first Yamaha startup, guys. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, no problem, man. Have a good one.
You too. Man, love it, brother. Sergeant, what's up, brother? Make some noise. Make some noise. Brother B. Houston, I know you out here somewhere, brother. I'm down here at the bottom end. You probably up there on the top end, up there near the skydiving place. What's up, brother? Love it, man. How you doing, sir? Hey, quiet on that noise.
Pretty much every aftermarket.
Or you get a copyright strike on me. Check this out, man.
Or you just sell aftermarket.
Check this out. This is nice. Mr. Savage 101.
Well, to get it each,
I can
you
dig
didn't
it.
even have a cross member at all.
Check this guy. What's going on, man? How you doing, brother?
Fun setup.
Yeah, it was
High revenue.
well, yeah, and it was a V16A and it had the a long time that I had a friend teaching me how to tune it, so got a wide band and I tuned it.
Get over here too. I gotta get some on this side too.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Probably a 300. I can afford it though.
Here come B Houston. I finally seen him. Here he come right there. There he is up there. What's going on, brother?
Hey, what's happening?
How you doing, man?
Good, you?
All right.
Right.
B Houston. What's up, brother? All right, man. Good to see you, brother. Let me get you. Here's my brother right here. I've been looking for you. I think I got this is my 5th video. I think every video I say something about you, looking for you. I told him you ain't hard to find. When did you get out here? Oh, okay. I've been out here a bit before 8. I got some good shit in the beginning when they was coming in. Yeah, I got some good stuff, man. Is that bus still stuck down there? You can't get out? The yellow bus? Yeah, he been there for a while. He can't get people. He can't find people that own the cars where he can get out of there.
Well, he's turning over there.
Oh, okay.
He's stuck in the turn right
Yeah. That's where he been there for a while.
Dude sitting in the car, he ain't moving.
Motherfucker, I ain't losing my spot. Oh, this is nice. Let me see your screen, brother B.
Huh?
Let me see, can I see that screen? Let me see how it look. I can see that, man. I can see that. I thought I wouldn't be able to see it. You got the 360, right? How do you use the 360 on it?
I haven't yet.
Oh, you know? Okay,
All
gotcha.
they do is take this
Take that plug off,
and program
and
it.
so it film forward and backwards, right? And all around. What's going on, brother?
Come on, man.
Let me get you, man.
Thanks. Still a work in progress.
That's all right. Have a great day, sir. What's going on, guys? How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Fine. Getting it. I love these Camaros, man. Check out my channel, man.
Alright, I will.
Uncle Mike 392. I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you.
Right now.
Got 2 BMWs. me take a shortcut. I gotta see Brother B. Houston. Where'd he go? You're around here somewhere. Checking it out.
I've seen Firebirds.
Look at GT500, guys. Shelby.